Before we get started, I wanted to invite you to an exclusive student Facebook group. This is a wonderful place to ask questions, share your projects, and get feedback. This group is full of wonderful designers from all levels who come together to support each other and be positive. To join the group, simply type in Learn Design, Go Freelance in the Facebook search bar. I even hold monthly student design challenges where I task students with a project, and I review all student projects live on my Facebook page and give helpful feedback. If you do not have Facebook, there's still plenty of ways to stay connected and get the latest videos and updates and news on my YouTube page at youtube.com/LindsayMarsh. I look forward to getting to know you guys and your unique learning journeys as time goes on, and I look forward to seeing you in the first lesson in the class.